How do professional carpet cleaners clean carpets so quickly? At Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne, we have professional carpet cleaners in Melbourne who can accomplish their jobs quickly. To do the needful, our cleaners: 1. Use the right carpet cleaning tools. 2. Use the best carpet cleaning solutions. 3. Perform teamwork. 4. Clean carpets in a planned manner. We are awarded as the best carpet and upholstery cleaners in Melbourne by Australian Enterprise. So, if you are looking to get a professional carpet cleaning in Melbourne, call now 1-800-960-244. Mail at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.